obviously the MSMEs will not have the wherewithal to go to the best campuses, do campus placements, or do any other kind of things subsequently to encourage lateral entry also. So how do you ensure that the opportunities that are available potentially or notionally are they also come MSMEs way based on merits, that they have the best talent to resolve or to respond to those kind of opportunities. So I remember that for the past few years, ICIA has been conducting job fairs very successfully for the MSMEs, but we need to now define it and sharpen it much more. So let us say the new post-COVID opportunities, there are large number of opportunities in the blockchain area. Now there could be some number of MSMEs who may have interest or who may have some experience. They might have dabbled in a few blockchain projects, but how does one ensure that they get good pool of talent? So focused kind of programs in which either their own existing talent is upskilled, so that without recruiting new people and adding to their burden, their existing talent itself is able to get upskilled and respond to some of those growing opportunities. Or we conduct a focused job fair so that they also are not deprived of good quality talent. The other very important opportunity is in terms of looking at unexplored geographies. Typically, Indian companies are connected more to the world which is in North America, mostly with US. Since large number of Fortune 500 companies are located there, we try to find clientele in that part of the world. But there is a huge world which is lying unexplored. And again, during this pandemic period, as you would know, there have been lots of virtual interactions. I mean, programs which or types of conversations which one would have never imagined were possible. They were also made possible using the virtual mediums. And I myself participated in a number of webinars in which ambassadors and corporate leaders in Latin American countries, in African countries, in Eastern European countries, they participated and they spoke about the kind of need they have of technology and what they expect out of India. So the sense which I got after participating in these kind of programs is that there is a large part of the world where growing needs are there of technology-enabled solutions. And MSMEs again seem to be best suited to work there, because these are markets where there could be in the initial phases some restrictions or some limitations in the kind of spend they will be able to provide or allocate. But once the opportunity to establish your credentials is made, then obviously you can get bigger and bigger businesses. So looking at newer geographies is also a good opportunity that ICIA and the government can explore together. Of course, the specific suggestions that you have made to ensure that MSMEs continue to have a fair time in Telangana, in Hyderabad, their basic pain points are solved through the governmental policy. We are absolutely certain that we will do it. The suggestions that you have made are definitely the right ones, and we will be formalizing all that into policy, into government orders, into actionable points in days to come. But as I have been mentioning again and again, Hyderabad is well placed to give ample opportunities to our MSME sector, thanks to organizations like ICIA, thanks to the kind of good work which has happened in the last so many decades. And this is, as I said, a good opportunity for all of us to harmonize and work together. And let us continue this dialogue. Let us meet offline also to work out some of the practical details of all these thoughts which we have shared. So once again, I'm grateful for giving this opportunity to me. Unfortunately, I'll not be able to stay in person for much longer, but I have been given the link of the webinar, of the webcast. So I'll be catching it throughout the day at different points in time. But my good wishes to the organizers once again for organizing the BIS Summit, and wishing you all the best for a very productive and useful day. Thank you very much.